Wanna know how to shuffle words in a sentence in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So first things first, simply open up your Java compiler or application, and we first take input and split it into words using split. So the split is around 7th line right here on the string words, and once that is done, we then convert the array to list and use collections.shuffle. After we use collections.shuffle, that is on the line, we randomly rearrange them. Finally, we join the words back into a sentence and print it. This is perfect for learning string manipulation, arrays, and collections in Java. You can use it for games, words, puzzles, or fun randomization effects. You run it, type a sentence, and instantly see your words in a completely new order. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.